Give it gas. You want more than that?
Nah, that's the vehicle, man. Nah, that's good. That's all I want.
Back it up.
If I want it deeper, I'll come back.
Yeah, we can always cut the back too out.
Okay.
Flowmasters, 175 to 225. Yeah. All right, put it in park and give it gas again. (2015) Dodge Challenger V6. All we did on it, still got stock converters there and there. Comes with a factory X pipe. We deleted the two mid mufflers or mid resonators and left the rear mufflers right there, right and right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a minute. There it is. That's what it looks like.